Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get free storage on your Google Photos. So to do this is pretty simple. So here we are in Google Photos and all you have to do is go to the top right corner, go to your settings. From there, you want to go to partner sharing. So basically here in partner sharing, you'll be able to share photos with the same quality and maximum storage that you have with the person that won't consume storage basically. So it's like sharing your cookies to someone but they can eat it, but they won't feel full. Unlike the person who has the cookies who will feel full when they eat it. And there you go, that's the analogy here. So all you have to do is actually just go here, only show photos since this day, or you can select a certain date of since when you want to see the shared photos, or you can just all do the all photos option right here and press next. And then all you have to do is type in the email. So I'm gonna type my other email. So let's just check it out if it's available. So it is, so here. And then all we have to do is press next. And then it will be shared to this certain Gmail and then send the invitation. So there you go guys. So once they accept the invitation, they'll be able to see what you are sharing using this tab right here, using the partner sharing. So just share your photos right here and then they will see it and then they won't consume storage with the other actual Google storage in the cloud. So there you go guys, that is how you get free storage on your Google Photos. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.